What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to compare Monday.com and Asana, two of the top project management platforms in 2025. Which one is more intuitive, flexible, and worth your time? Let's dive in and find out. So first, let's start with what they are. Both Monday.com and Asana are powerful work management tools that help teams organize projects, track tasks, and collaborate more effectively. Asana is known for its clean interface, task force workflow, and easy setup, perfect for teams of all sizes. Monday.com is famous for its visual boards, high customization, and colorful design, ideal for teams that like flexible workflows and data tracking. So both are great, but they take very different approaches. Now, let's move to the next step, which is features breakdown. Let's compare them feature by feature. When we talk about task and project management, Asana is structured. You get tasks, subtasks, timeliners, calendars, and dependencies, great for organized, checklist driven teams. Whereas Monday.com offers customizable boards with columns of people, statuses, files, and more. You can make it look however you want. When we talk about views, Asana gives you list, board, timeline, and calendar views, whereas Monday.com also offers similar views plus workload, form, and chart views for better reporting. When we talk about automation and integrations, both offer automation like when a task is marked complete, notify the team. Monday.com wins the more visual drag and drop automation. Integrations are solid on both Slack, Google Workspace, Zoom, and more. So if you like structure, go Asana. If you want full customization, go Monday.com. Let's move to the next step, which is ease of use and learning curve. In terms of ease of use, Asana is cleaner and simpler to learn, especially for beginners or small teams. Monday.com can feel overwhelming at first, but once you learn it, it's incredibly powerful and adaptable. Asana is plug and play, and Monday.com is build your own workflow. Let's talk about the next step, which is pricing and collaboration. Let's talk about money. Asana has a free plan for up to 15 users with basic features. Paid plan starts around $11 a month per user. Monday.com also has a free plan for 2 users and basic boards. Paid plans start around $9 a month per user, but features like Can't and time tracking come in high tiers. For collaboration, both tools allow mention, team updates, file uploads, and real-time commenting. Monday is a bit more visual, while Asana is more structured. Now, let's move to the final verdict. So, which one's best for you? Go with Asana if you want a clean, structured task based system, simplicity, and quick setup, great mobile experience, and reporting. Choose Monday.com if you want fully customizable workflows, visual dashboards, and advanced automations, a flexible tool for managing anything, not just product. And when I talk about my verdict, Asana is perfect for structured teams, and Monday.com is ideal if you want to build workflows your way and projects your way. And if you want to access Monday.com, just simply type in Monday.com in your browser search bar, and then the website will open. Click on Get Started, and then sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your Monday.com account. And same is the process with Asana. Just type in Asana or Asana.com to load Asana to your web browser, and then click on Get Started to sign up your new account via email, password, and other credentials. So let me know in the comments which one would you use. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.